Hi friends, it's time to get that math homework done. This week I decided it would probably be helpful for me to read you the math problem because I know that a lot of your parents are busy and I do not want reading to be one of the factors that we can't get our math done. So I'm going to make this video really short. You can listen to it as many times as you need to, and then I want you to figure out the math part by yourself. I'm just going to read the words. Devin has 6 Spider-Man pencils. He put some in his desk and the rest in his pencil box. Write a number sentence to show how many pencils Devin might have in his desk and pencil box. So these are his total number of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's why we have a total of 6 down in our number sentence. It said he put some in his desk and the rest in his pencil box. That means that this is really up to you. You can think of all of the different number combinations that we can make to have a total of 6. So use your fingers, use the cubes you brought home, or draw a picture on the side. But try and think of some combinations that you could do to make a total of 6. It's up to you. Here we go.